In today's video we're going to make some Christmas decorations, and I'll start with Christmas trees. All you're gonna need is some sort of green paper, cardstock, construction paper, just whatever you have at home, some pipe cleaners or genuine stems from Michaels or mine, and your glue gun, as well as hot glue and decorations like some beads or whatever kind of buttons you may have, or gemstones, pom-poms, confetti, anything you choose for decorations. So for this you have to make a cone. And just glue the edges with the hot glue. If you have a little bit of a hot glue showing under the paper and the cone, that's okay, because the paper will be covered with pipe cleaner pieces. And you can glue the bottom part as well, so it stays well and it would not unfold. When you're done, you can cut even line underneath. Until you reach the desired height. And make sure you have even line on the bottom so they stay flat. For the next part, I'm gonna cut my pipe cleaners into small pieces, and I would like them to have exact length, all of them to be even. So I'll fold the pipe cleaner into 4 or 6 and just cut it. So after you cut as many pieces as you need, each pipe cleaner, you cut it into 4 pieces. You have to fold them like this and tie them at the end like this. You can use a jewelry plier, or if you wish to make this with glass, because it's a little bit pointy at the edges, but it's still okay. You just have to be careful with the wire inside the pipe cleaners. So I made a lot of these little pieces, and I'll start gluing them. With the hot glue. So here's the Christmas tree so far. I have glued already like 64 pieces of pipe cleaner, and I still have a few more. I make a line and just try to glue as fast as I can before the glue gets cold. If you have a little spot that you miss, maybe like here, you can always add a little dot of glue and one extra piece of pipe cleaner if you want the flower tree. So my cute little Christmas tree is done, and now I'll just adjust the pipe cleaners the way I like them, and then I'll decorate it and I'll show you the end result. Here is how the tree looks like. Now I'll just make a few more decorations, and I like to be decorated in the white and the red, so I'll be using some of these pearl beads and just decorate around with them, as well as making a few more little decorations with some sparkly and white pipe cleaners, maybe some silver ones and just red ones as well. This is such a teeny tiny like Christmas ball, so I'll glue this somewhere as well. And we'll make candy cane from the pipe cleaners that I already have pre-cut here by twisting red and white and just shaping the pipe cleaners in the shape of candy canes before you put it on the tree. You can stuck it on the leaves and the needles, but you can also glue it on the outside if you wish. All you need is a tiny glue dot. And I'll continue decorating with candy canes and the silver and red decorations that I plan to make, as well as the pearls. I'll show you at the end how it looks like. So my Christmas tree is almost ready. It's turning out to be so cute. I would like to glue also a little button or a plasticky piece. I think it's a button that I have from Michaels from previous years that was in my stash. So I want this, and we'll make one more bigger bow for the top of the tree, and that would be it. So I'm gonna use half of a pipe cleaner and that's the middle, so I'll roll it like this around my finger and twist once only, and I'll do the same on the other side. You can use a pencil or a pen as well. Twist this side once and shape it a little bit to look like a bow. Cut the little wire that it's showing underneath. Here is the last bow that I'm going to glue on the tree, and then it's all done. Just here. That's the Christmas tree. Thank you for watching. If you like to support my channel, please give a thumbs up, subscribe or comment.